Looking for the best passive income ideas? Then you're in the right place. My name is Melanie Ginsberg, your favorite Austin, Texas realtor, and today I'm going to give you 4 of the best passive income ideas, and stick around until the end. I will give you my very favorite. Before we jump in though, I want to give a little bit of an asterisk here and say that there's no true thing as passive income, because there is always going to have to be some initial work that you put in. Even the most passive of passive income, buying stocks and letting it rise, you have to buy the stock at the beginning. So there really isn't anything that is just truly passive. If there was, I think everyone would be just laying on the beach doing whatever they want. There is a little initial work that you need to put in. Of course, some is going to be more than others. We'll get more into that into the video. But with that being said, the first idea for earning passive income in 2021 is going to be real estate investing. Honestly, this is not just 2021. This has made countless millionaires and billionaires through the ages. And I have no doubt that it will continue into the future. So real estate investing is an amazing way to earn passive income, because you can do it as a homeowner if you're living in that home as well with house hacking, and I'll link a video up there about house hacking, or you can use this as your full-time source of passive income, and you can just buy houses and rent that out fully. But the gist of it is, house hacking is, let's say you buy a home and you rent out one of the rooms, or you buy a duplex and you rent out one of the sides. You are living in that home yourself, so it's still your home. You can do a very low down payment, FHA, stuff like that, and you can rent out a couple rooms or whatever and earn that passive income, which pays your mortgage. So you're also paying down the house, earning equity and appreciation and all that good stuff, while still earning that cash flow. So real estate has made countless millionaires and billionaires, and it's an amazing way to get into investing, because like I said, house hacking is a great way because you're buying for your own home as well. It's something that you are living in. So I'm going to link to a video up there that just goes over the basic process of buying a home. If you are looking to buy a home anywhere in the US, I can help you. My real estate team is in all 50 states. So let me know in the comments below if that's something that you're interested in. We actually work mostly with investors, helping them get their toes wet and get that passive income. The second way that you can earn passive income is selling courses. So for example, my fiance Jordan, he has a marketing course that he sells for about $1,000. This covers everything from mindset, goal setting, how to do social media, how to do video marketing, how to do Facebook ads, all of these things. This course is up and for sale, and we could be on vacation, driving the car, taking a nap, whatever it is, and if someone buys that course, we will earn that money. That's what makes it passive. Again, the upfront work was, first of all, the knowledge that he used to make that course, and then also putting the course together. But now that that's done, we're earning money passively. Now for you, since you're watching this YouTube video, I will actually put a coupon code in the links below if you're interested in buying that course. He has sold over 1,000 as of today, I believe, something like that. So it's a good course. It's helped a lot of people, especially with their real estate business or their marketing business. So that coupon code is below. The third thing that you can do to make passive income is, if you don't want to make a course yourself, you can have an affiliate link and sell someone else's course. For example, I took my real estate course through Aceable. I loved it. They guarantee that you pass on your first try. I did pass on my first try. If you're curious about how to get your real estate license, I will link to the video up there. But that's a course that I took and loved, and they have an affiliate program. So now when someone asks me, which I often hear, "Hey Melanie, how do I get my real estate license?" I can say, oh, you know what? Aceable is actually the best way to study for the exam. They guarantee that you pass on your first try, and here is a link. When someone uses that link, they get 30% off, which is amazing for them, and I get a little bit of money as well as the affiliate marketer, which is great for me. So it really is a win-win. There are a lot of things that I do this with. Aceable is one, Prep Agent is another. I use Prep Agent all the time to study after I did Aceable, to study for my real estate exam. Again, I think this is a big reason why I passed on my first try. And I now have a link. I'm able to give you 20% if you sign up for Prep Agent to help you study for your real estate exam, and I also get a little bit of cash. So that's something that, again, initially I set that up, I talked to the people, got that affiliate link, but now whether I'm sleeping on vacation or eating lunch, if someone buys that, that's going to be cash in my pocket. So passive income is very, very cool. The fourth thing that is probably the most passive income, I mean, affiliate is pretty passive income too, but stocks and now cryptocurrency, stuff like that, that can be very, very, very passive income as well. Again, you're gonna have to put the initial work in to research and find the best one to put in. It is a risk, that's the downside. There are many people that put their savings into a stock or a bond or a cryptocurrency or whatever it is, and then it doesn't perform the way that they hoped, and instead of making all this passive income, they actually lost this passive income. So with my real estate company, we actually get stocks for free, which is pretty as close to passive income as possible because it's literally just being given to me for not always stuff that I'm doing, and then it is able to grow over time. And actually the bonus, the fifth way that is my personal favorite way to earn passive income, this has actually given me enough passive income to pay all of my bills every single month. So, I have reached financial freedom. It feels amazing. It is awesome. And that is through my real estate company, eXp Realty. And the way that works is that if I work with other real estate agents and I help them with their marketing and I help them, like we give them Jordan's course, we help them with all of their lead generation and helping them close more deals, do more listing presentations. If we bring them into the company and help them with their business, we are also able to get a little bit of the residual income from that side as well. So our real estate team is now about 70 agents in less than a year. And like I said, our residual income coming in from that is paying for all of our bills, which is amazing. So passive income is seriously life-changing, whether it's just from selling a course. You can sell a course for $5 or $10, and if you sell enough of those courses, if you sell 1,000 courses, that's $5,000 or $10,000, which is super nice. With the affiliate links, I love it's a give and take. They're getting a discount. I'm also getting a little bit. I really believe that a rising tide lifts all boats. I love working with people and helping them. And I believe the more people I help, the more I will get helped. So that's also why I really love eXp Realty, because I'm just able to help more people, help them get more real estate clients, help them close bigger deals, higher commissions, whatever it is. And then, of course, I'm able to get that passive income, which is super, super nice. So if this made sense to you, let me know in the comments. Do you have any streams of passive income? If not, which one do you think is most exciting for you to try? You can do all 5 of these. You can do some of these. I have all 5 of these. I think the best way to really diversify your income is to have as many streams of income as possible and as many passive streams of income as possible as well. So eXp gives you 2. Totally passive, the stocks and the residual income from the team building part. So if you have any questions about that, let me know below. I'll leave some links. We can hop on a quick Zoom call and I can answer any questions. But wherever you're at, I just want you to know that passive income is the way to go. It is worth putting in that initial effort today so that you can earn that residual income tomorrow, because otherwise you're trading time today for income today and you're not really leveraging your time. So wherever you're at, I'm glad you're watching this video, because setting up passive income streams are the best. Take it from me, someone who has escaped the rat race. It is well worth it, and it is better than you could ever imagine. And if financial freedom is something that you're interested in, check out this playlist that I made here. It's full of all sorts of videos about how to achieve financial freedom in the fastest and most efficient way. I'm cheering for you. I'm rooting for you. I'm always here for you. So have the best day yet, and I'll see you next time.